For a decade, we forge ahead in this industry with steady strides. YYS focus YYS on jumbo roll paper saw cutting. As a national high-tech enterprise, we own 38 independent patents. All our machines have passed ISO 9001 and CE certifications, dedicated to delivering integrated cutting solutions. For the global paper industry, we implement strict quality control throughout the whole process, from drawing R&D and component processing to complete machine commissioning and delivery. Our product portfolio covers 5 major categories: bandsaw series, circular saw series, vehicle-mounted paper saws, online edge trimmers, and supporting auxiliary equipment. We deeply empower the full industrial chain, including paper mills, corrugated board factories, and base paper traders. YYS machinery empowers the upgrading of the paper industry with precise, intelligent cutting and embarks on a new industrial journey together with global partners.